What is going on? Well, I went ahead and stopped the time lapse after I got the sink installed because basically all I was doing is, if you can see back there, there's still a little bit left, was just boxing up the stuff in that room, so that way I had room to work whenever we make it to get sheetrock, hopefully the next day or two. But I got the kitchen cleaned out, got a makeshift sink put up, so we got running water in here again. Just got to get to Home Depot so I can get some more sheetrock so I can hang up in these two rooms, as they're all insulated. Then all I got to do is finish the hallway, closet in there, and around the door frames, and then it'll be time to do a lot of tape and float. Still waiting on a contractor to come and help me determine how to fix this area here, because we plan on taking what used to be a double oven here and just get rid of it. But I've got to take that 220 and relocate it to there on that wall. I put that piece of sheetrock up just with a few screws to keep the heat from the garage from getting in here, so it can be taken out, so that way we can get to the inner wall. So hopefully somehow route that power. I'm probably going to take advantage of the hole that somebody decided to cut in the ceiling for routing it, but that's got to be a whole nother project, so that's why I'm not necessarily going to sheetrock the kitchen just yet. Probably save that till towards the end, just because of the amount of work that's got to be done in here. I've got a lot of wires to finish running through the studs over to this wall, and just start getting close to getting all these walls buttoned up, so that way the house will look a little more presentable. Still got other issues to deal with, like all this mold that we don't know where it came from, but it doesn't seem to be on the back side of the sheetrock, so it's only on the inside, which makes no sense because the water wasn't even that high. And that's the only wall that has mold on it in here, so not sure. Guess we'll find out when I cut it back a little more. I'm going to cut all that out, put fresh sheetrock in that spot. But that's the update video for today, and I will start the video next time, which hopefully will be me starting the sheetrock in those two rooms and knocking them out pretty quick. So if you like what you're watching, keep on watching. The videos will be coming kind of sporadically, but like I said at the beginning, it's kind of got to work this into my full-time job. I do this after work, so but I'm a lot closer to having her in her house now than I have been. I have been doing some work that has not been on video, just because I didn't feel the need to continue to show the work, but I started the initial float, just filling gaps before I put some tape down in here, but that wasn't on video. I just knocked it out real quick. So, but yeah, like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, whatever, yada yada yada, you know the drill. Until next time, see you later.